Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A32, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and tapping on Alarm section at the top left corner. Now, before adding new alarm, click on those three dots at the top right one. Then manage all of those alarm settings however you want to, like for example, alarm duration. When you finished, go back and click on this plus icon at the bottom to add new alarm. Then set up an hour. When you finished, hit on Repeat option and click on the best one from the list. Only ring once, Monday to Friday, every day or custom. After tapping on custom, you can select days of the week and then save them thanks to this button at the top right corner. Now you can click on this switcher next to snooze to switch it off or on. If you decided to enable it, you can also tap on snooze and adjust it by selecting how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. When you're done, go back, scroll down and tap on Alarm Tone. Now you can apply one of the available ones by clicking on it and selecting OK. In my case, Whisper. You can also scroll all the way down, click on Add Alarm, and pick a song from your device. In order to locate it, tap on those three lines at the top left corner. Select one of the available sources, and then hold your song. Now to add it to the list, tap on Select at the top right corner. Then make sure to click on it and tap on OK at the bottom. Finally, you can manage haptic feedback for this alarm by clicking on this switcher next to Vibrate when ringing. And last but not least, click on the Label section. Now you can name your alarm however you want to if you want to. Click on OK in the pop-up. And then finally, to save it, tap on Save at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. To make some changes, click on it, change wherever you want to, and click on Save again. If you wish to switch it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it and click on one of the available options. You can also click on the same now gray one to activate it. In order to get rid of your alarm completely, hold it, click on bin icon at the top right corner, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!